Right now we're at the Staircase Ranger Station and we just got done releasing 5 more fishers into the park. This is kind of a second go-round for the Fisher Restoration Project. We know that the first go-round, that when we released 90 individuals in 2008 to 2010, they survived, they did really well here, they reproduced. But we also found up in the follow-up research that there was only like the same 4 females that showed up in over half the young, which doesn't bode well for genetic diversity. So we had an independent analysis done that said it'd be better if we introduced a couple more new genes to the population. And so I'm just extremely grateful to Washington's National Park Fund and the people that support it, because it's just, you can't do it with federal funding alone. And as for the short time funding request, hey, there's this need. I just got back this research paper saying I need more fishers. How do I get it? And the Park Fund came through quickly. I'm just incredibly grateful.